Hey everyone, welcome back to House by Us. Today we might be having a slightly easier challenge. In the last episode you saw me taking down the roof, and now we gotta clean up all the mess. And there is quite some mess. We'll cut all the wood and surprise a neighbor with a firewood for this winter. And then take all the waste to a parking lot that's about 200 meters away. And probably behind me you can see that there's some rain coming. Summer is coming to an end, unfortunately, but at least it won't be too hot to work. And I'll try to do as much as I can before the rain, because the forecast says that it might rain for the whole week. Let's see, hopefully I can squeeze some work. Here you can see most of the beans are rotten from inside. This one as well. Yeah, they're pretty burned down and destroyed. They've probably been there for over 100 years. We do want to use beams, wooden beams, to construct the roof. After all, that's the traditional way. But to make sure the house stays in its best condition for years and years, we better order new ones and then we're safe. But some of these are still actually in okay shape. This one, for example, the other day I went to a friend's house and he had beautiful restored wooden beam just above the fireplace. It looked amazing, so probably we do something like that. Let's see when the house is done. And then these 1 and 2 there, they still seem quite sturdy, so maybe we can use them. Most probably not to construct the roof, because we want to have maximum safety there. But maybe they found their purpose somewhere as a decoration or similar. And then all these boards here, I actually will put them now in the back of the house. And I'll use them for the concrete work that's upcoming for the little house. Here's another example of one that's pretty thick, and we can use it. So I'll put it here and put in the good ones here, and then we'll see where to put them, what to do with them. I cleaned the other space there but I forgot that I still have here quite a lot. And actually, you remember I said that, well, obviously we cannot use these anymore for roof construction, but they can still be used for fire. And you remember our good friend Frane? He needs wood. Winter is getting closer and closer, so we'll supply him with all the wood he needs. So I'll cut these right now. I'll maybe leave just 1 or 2 for us, and then we'll transport all of that to his house, which is just a bit down the road. I cut everything in small pieces for him, and now we'll transport it to his house. Frano, ćemo odnijeti to do kuće?
Pa nemoj se muči, di ćeš. Ja to sutra uliču.
He says, don't bother yourself, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll put him in a bag and bring it to my house. Well, his house is not far and I'm a lot younger than he is, so for me it's not a problem. Today is a day of good deeds. Fran, šta kažeš? Today is a day of good deeds. Danas je dan dobrih djela. So we'll bring these woods to his house so you can have enough for this winter.
Samo iskreni.
Pazi.
Ne boj. Ovdje.
Hello.
Je, super.
And our good neighbor that helped us build the wall also needed some wood for winter, so we gave him some as well. There are ones that I decided to keep. For example, this one. We can have it as a decoration somewhere, probably another one, maybe even for the fireplace or somewhere in the apartment. It's actually very nice. And when we clean it, it's gonna have that old that old type of look. We filled Frano's reservoir with woods. We did a good deed. Now he's good for winter. Ciao Frano. Bye bye. Ciao.
Prijatno I hvala lipa.
Third day of cleaning the remainings of the roof that I took out. Today I have some reinforcement here. My brother, who came in style. Dođo. Let me introduce you to Izvor. A lot of power in these muscles.
Bad
here.
boys, bad boys.
Oh. A lot of power in these muscles. This is how much we already transferred here. We're maybe halfway through or a bit more. Let's see if we make it today. Look, Fran stopped us and he told us to check out his cabbage. Look where he planted it. Here on the parking, all of this is cabbage. He's very proud of it. Now he's showing there to my brother all his cabbage. Jesi ponosan na svoj kupus, Fran?
Jesam.
We're getting closer to the end. You can see brown ground. We still have this section left. There it's already clean. But no way, this is taking toll on us. Israel just went to get some water. Again, we already drank like 5 liters, but we sweated probably 10 liters. I think
it's hard work. It's hard work.
It's hard work. I think his biceps that he was bragging about kind of went down a little bit. But yeah, I'm glad to have him here helping, because to do this alone, it would be twice as hard, and it's already hard. And whoa, done. How do you feel?
Tired.
Tired. Of course he's feeling tired. Muscles didn't help a lot. I'm feeling very fresh. I'm feeling fresh. But whoa, yeah. Hopefully you can see the difference. We didn't catch it on time lapse. For the last session, I forgot to actually...
Somebody forgot something.
I forgot to click record and he sort of got mad. But yeah, now you can see nice brown floor. We managed to get everything in one day. Amazing.
5 hours.
Yeah, in 5 hours, yeah. Better than expected. And now, well, you already saw how far we're taking it. It's probably around 200 meters and one quite steep uphill. So yeah, it took quite some effort, but now it's done.
It was very hot as well.
Yeah, it was also still quite hot. Now the sun is behind the clouds. It's not yet sunset. And that pool there looks amazing. We were thinking to jump in, but now the house is occupied and some guests are there, so it wouldn't be nice. And we're so dirty, if we would jump in, they would have to change the whole water, because no filter could resolve that mud. Plus sunscreen. But yeah, done. That's it, the last one done. Here you can see the pile that we transported. This is the final result. And this is where we'll leave you. We'll have a nice chill evening after a hard long day of work. And as always, thanks for watching.